It's just, come and go, come and go. Man, look, those ones are like fighting or something. Not fighting, but flying together. Oh, and there's one over there on the... Oh, that one. Oh, there's a red bird back. The red bird. Oh, there it is, look. Where'd he go? Oh, it's right behind the tree. Right behind the tree is a red bird. I forget what that is, but my wife told me. Dang, man, there's just so many of them. There's a lot of those little birds. Oh, look, there's a red bird coming in. Sorry, guys. I just was trying to take a picture of that red bird because I really like it. It's really pretty, I think. Oh, it's really cool and really pretty. I don't know what it is. It's like a... I don't know. Very pretty, though. I think it'd be so cool to have a bird bath right in the middle of the food thing. Really fun. Really cool to have, I think. Dang, look at them all. They're just everywhere. They're just everywhere. Everywhere. Especially because they got that lawn over there. That's a pretty nice lawn. They just mowed that today, so... Just mowed that lawn today, so... I noticed the birds always like when it's a fresh mowed lawn. Oh, there he is. There he's out. He's on there again. You gonna kick them all off? Nope. What? He just jumped down. What the hell? I like that bird a lot. That's a cool looking bird, the red one. Dang. Those other ones are everywhere too. Where'd the red one go? Now he's gone. Damn it.